38 जिलों के बीच जो सबसे बेहतरीन थे वही पहुंचे पटना 7 तक, और उन्हीं में से एक नाम LNJPIT छपरा का भी था। तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं प्रभाकर और आप देख रहे हैं क्रिएटिव इंजीनियर प्रभाकर यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको एजुकेशन कंपटीशन और स्टूडेंट सक्सेस से जुड़े रियल अपडेट्स पसंद है तो चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को करें लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ करें शेयर। दोस्तों, आज का वीडियो एक स्पेशल डिबेट कंपटीशन के बारे में है जो DSTT के द्वारा ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था। सबसे पहले 38 जिलों में डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर कंपटीशन हुआ। हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से जो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट सेलेक्ट हुए उन्हीं फाइनल राउंड में पटना 7 बुलाया गया। यहाँ पर डिबेट कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया जिसमें टैलेंटेड स्टूडेंट ने अपना आइडिया और कॉन्फिडेंस से सबको इम्प्रेस किया। हमारे कॉलेज LNJPIT छपरा के लिए भी एक गर्व का पल था। ट्रिपल ब्रांच की एक स्टूडेंट अनंता कुमारी ने भी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया। LNJPIT से उत्तीर्ण होने के बाद हमारे कॉलेज का नाम रोशन किया। ये सिर्फ एक कंपटीशन नहीं था, ये कॉन्फिडेंट कम्युनिकेशन और लीडरशिप का प्लेटफॉर्म था। इस तरह के कंपटीशन स्टूडेंट के अंदर सेल्फ बिलीव और पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करते हैं।
Honorable members of the House and our worthy opponent. Today, I stand here to support the motion, and I strongly and firmly believe that technology is making humans less creative. And why I believe this? There is a reason behind this. Just because of the technology, we are totally dependent on the technology such as AI. In today's era, we are totally familiar with AI. We know that even our small work, we are totally dependent on AI. Such as small works, and because of that, we are losing our creativity. And it's not about the creativity; it's also about how our brain functions. If we are depending on the AI or technology for even a small mathematical calculations and even the calculations of our daily life, it means that our functions are not trained. Our brain are not trained for the work, and just because of that, we are not able to think higher. Maybe if someone will say that we need to focus on higher things, we need to focus on higher things, then how will we focus on higher things if our brain are not even able to function for the basic mathematical calculation, which give and if we are totally dependent on the AI for even a small calculations, then we are not able to go on a higher level. So just take example of data scientists. There is a very misconception that if we lose our creativity, we can focus on other things like data scientists, which is a great example. But if a person are not able to think, then they are not even able to train their brain. Then how will they train themselves for the data scientist? This is such a great post. So again here it gives the human creativity. My second, I would like to tell that in today's era, we know that even if a small things, we are dependent on the ChatGPT, Gemini, and there are many other platforms due to which we are unable to think, we are unable to give ourselves time. And also just because of this technology, we are losing the connection between the humans. We are even for the simple emotional suppose we are searching us some kind of things on the ChatGPT. Instead of interacting with the human, we are interacting with the ChatGPT or others technology, which making us less human, and due to which we are losing our creativity. I would like to say that technology is not here to replace us, but I would like to say that technology, we can use technology but in a limited way, but it can't surpasses the human. If technology will surpass the human, we will totally lose.
I would like AI to do my job so that I can sit and do my paintings. Good morning, one and all present here. I am Kumari Krishnasana, and today I am speaking for the motion that AI technology takes away makes humans less creative. Well, if you go to see, currently AI is one of the technologies as she spoke about. At the touch of our finger, we can just give it a prompt and we have an entire painting ready, or somebody who would have taken a lot of skills to make it. That makes us as humans less creative. We don't focus on inculcating ourselves, our own skills. Rather, we depend on AI, and that is a bad technology as well. As well as them are various other examples where technology is making us less creative. For example, it hijacks our brain. Technology such as Instagram, that is social media, because it is a part of the technology which is the phones and software. It is hijacking our brains. It's hijacking our dopamine levels. So we have a short attention span now, relatively, which leads to us humans becoming more lower, and which leads to us humans losing lower and lower of our creativity. In conclusion, I would like to say that AI is hijack. Technology is good, but when it is moderated, not when it is given up freely to grab. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. Today we, the government, supports the motion that yes, and definitely yes, the technology is making humans more less creative. Why be so? Let's take a very realistic example with which I feel like the entire house can relate. How many times now, if we have to find the meaning of a word, we go for a physical dictionary? How many times we visit that dictionary? How many times we turn the pages of the dictionary? We never do that. Why? Because we are highly and we are highly dependent on the AI and other technologies. Another example which I like to present is if like we have to write an application. We write an application or an email in our day-to-day life to persons. How many of us really sit down at the table with a pen and a paper and write that application from ourselves? None of us do that right now. What we do is we write a prompt to ChatGPT or to Gemini and get our answers or emails or whatsoever problem we have. What we are trying to say is, if I take the example of art, most of the people here use Pinterest apps or different Gemini apps. There are different Gemini based tools or AI based tools which can generate images even. And that is where our creativity lies. Even if, like, for example, if I have to post something on my LinkedIn account, the content is actually not being written by me, but is actually being given by the Gemini or by the Chat GPT, and that is where our creativity is actually lacking. Rather than focusing on how a certain code of a PDA should be written, what should be the logic of that code must be, what we do is we choose a convenient way. We give the prompt or we give the problem or the problem statement to the Chat GPT and Gemini and ask the code for it. And hence, we, the government, support the motion today. Thank you. No. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges and my fellow debaters. Today, I firmly stand against our topic that is technology is making us more creative. It's technology making us less creative. So, before getting to the topic, I would like to define the topic of the technology itself. What do we mean by the technology? We are talking the topic technology itself. We are talking about technology that has the concise to directly evolving doing the critical thinking, deciding replacing the tech decisions, and making the automatic images. This is the type of technology we are talking about and is hindering the creativity. Okay. So let's get into the topics. Now, necessity is the mother of innovation, and we have taken that the technology is not graduating drastically by the innovation. The technology is drastically increasing its pace. Now, talking about the innovation itself, from the calculators to the internet to the current most innovative thing, AI. We have seen the most drastic changes in the technology itself. But do you think that it hinders the human creativity? You don't think the technology that is happening today, that is being created, is also a human creativity? It is also that same thing. And talking about the use of AI. By using the AI, we have seen that our whole Instagram, our whole YouTube is flooded with all the videos, all the content that can be useful for us. That is all flooded by the AI itself. And now talking about the second part, AI in the education. That I would like to quote a simple report that WHO had quoted that the correct person who is using the AI, the correct student, is getting more than 18% benefit than the person who is not using the AI. He can learn more faster, he is more good in a more phase in his own or her own phase. And it's the most important a student can have. Now, Getting into the second most important part, the socio-economic factor of the creativity in the AI. Who uses the AI or technology for the most creative designers? Obviously, from the drafting machines to getting into the using of the AutoCADs, that is the technology advancement, and we are using it for our own self. The civil engineers are using it. The AI, yeah, many have talked about that AI has created their own videos, but okay, we can take the inspirations from the videos created by the AI to create our own video. That it is just like we have to take the content, but just to remodelize that content in our own self to make it in the much better presentable way. That is the what is technology is for us, and not only talk about the content itself. Technology is not about just AI. It is everywhere. It is we can see it everywhere. Everything is about from the this ceiling fan to the everything. You can see that each and everything is a technology. Even the painting that you are thinking, the paint you are making, is the process of making by technology itself. The paint that you are using to create, that is only process of the technology itself.
Hello everyone, my name is Varun and I'm from RST Benisra. So I'm standing here against the motion, and I firmly believe that the technology is helping us to be more creative. Let us go back in that first, right? So take for example that back in the day when there was no industrial revolution, nothing. There was slow pace of our country or our whole earth was moving in a slow pace, technology, right? And people were not active. But as the industrial revolution happened, when these new technologies came to light, we became more creative. We became much more creative in locomotive engines. We made better trains. We made better education systems with the help of smart boards and other things. So that's the thing. Technology has always helped us to be more creative and more helpful to us. Let's take an example of this span. Right, span is there. So what is this? It's a new technology, right? And before this, there was a lot of heat, a lot of stress. Students were it was very difficult for students to study in that kind of thing. But with the coming of this technology, it's easy. It's helped us to be more creative. And many people have talked about the newest one, new innovative one, AI. So AI has always helped us. Like my fellow partner said, AI has always helped us in becoming more creative. Most of the designers, most of the civil engineers, most of the software engineers, they all use this in their work, and it has always helped them and be more creative. Obviously, at first, there are hindrances. There are some things that people have to worry about, but not that much in their heads, right? And I would like to counter your point that you said that okay, technology is always bad. No, it is not always bad. You can regulate it. You can regulate it in a better way, in a moderate way, so it can be helpful for every individual. Take for example in medical, with the advancement of technologies, many people have become more creative. We have found new diseases, new cures. We have solved the new diseases that have come around. We have made vaccines with the help of technology only. Creation is the founding base of the technology. So without that, we cannot imagine a future. Obviously, there are concerns like you said about AI and this, but I don't think that are that much of a big concern. The concern that right now is that technology is better, and that is the most important part, which I believe, and I believe everyone believes that the advancement and improvement of technology is the basic and kind of necessity for the creation and creativity of.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kevin Kumar, and today's topic is about is technology in creating. I am on the topic that technology is making humans less creative. So we support this topic because from early periods we can see that first of all the generation of a wheel came. So wheel was a kind of creativity. From that we came into bicycle, then to a car, and then to airplane. This was how technology created creativity. We have never thought that we will fly in air. It always started with this technology, and it increased the creativity level of human beings. Now this has in transport sector. Now coming to in medical field, those tools which we are using in operations nowadays, those tools are made by the creativity of humans. Those minor tools which we use in operations of many incurable diseases, and the medicines which we are using, the small tablets which we are using, it all comes with a creativity. A single water bottle packet or a big jar of 20 liter, it comes under a small tube like tablet like structure, and it convert into a big 20-liter jar. So this is all a creativity. Why patents are nowadays used? Because each and everything has some new creativity, and we are using those technology in creating new things which can make human life a better life, and so that we can live a life of sustainability. Why technology came? Technology came so that we can live a life of sustainable development, because population was population is increasing on us. So I think these all examples are saying that the technology has created the human mind more creative. Also, in education sector, we can see that earlier only YouTube videos were there, but now in Vedantu, what happens that they have a feature that if a student is sleeping in online classes, it will recognize and will ring a bell so that a student can wake up, and how much efficiently the student is studying in the classroom. This is also a kind of creativity which is in the technology sector. Thank you.
Now your next round will be started, right? And it is of 10 minutes, right? Round.
I would like to question you firstly. You quoted data that 18% people who use AI, they have seen better results. But the second part of the report also says that there is a decline of creativity by 35% in the same people. Do you read that report? What do you have to say about that?
What is it? What are you going to put it? 35% decline?
Declining creativity.
Declining, if you are talking about data that is saying that declining creativity is also a good thing, that we are talking about, let's say we are talking about your most the creative thing a person can do. Startups. Okay. Let's say, what was the data before the technology advancement? AI was one of the most technological advancements that is happening in this decade, and before this, the data says currently there are 1.56 lakhs of people is registered in DPIIT. It means there are 1.56 lakh startups in DPIIT and have DPIIT registration. But before that advancement, before that using the creativity, before that using everything that AI had, the number was, can anyone guess it? Can anyone guess it? I would like to that number was only 19,000. In 2018, the number was just 19,000, and it has gone up to 1.58 lakh. Why? Because AI is one of the most easy, economical, and efficient.
But is it sustainable?
Yeah. Why don't?
Is it sustainable?
Why?
We are on the topic that it reduces the human creativity, right? So in that aspect, is it sustainable?
Technology is not making. Technology is the greatest. We were talking about sustainability. Technology is making you
I'm
sustainable.
talking about sustainability in the context of the just the numbers you have provided.
Okay. Yeah. But first of all, sir, if they are not sustainable, then how can we startup are surviving right now? And that's the technology is not like about making you sustainable, but also making you about efficient. The efficiency is one of the key of making of anything sustainable. That is the
So
that
we
are
should
this.
just ignore that 35% data.
So we are not.
It is an alarming rate.
Okay.
Your 18% is lower than 35%.
35% in what type of the context you are talking about? We are talking about the context of that of Instagram. You are talking about the concept of the YouTube content. They are like those content are degraded by 95%. But let's talk about the increase in the content. We have all seen the increment in the content in the Instagram. We all not feel we have seen this right now in the current scenario. We all are seeing this, that all the content in the Instagram, in the Facebook, in the whatever the platform you see, just name it, you will see the content that has been in the league of the one is going to be posted on 2 to 3 and the content creator who is posting once a week can post now thrice a week just by using AI, by using other tools, by using Canva. Then that is what it is happening right now. And yeah, if the content is increasing, okay, some might be decreased, but the increment of the content is far much greater than the decrement. So I think that will be much more sustainable, much more efficient, and much more creative. Using the AI, using the technology for the creation of the something is not getting your not getting your creativity let off. It is just making you more efficient, more sustainable. That is the thing that I want to forward. And there was one more thing that you have talked about the chat GPT. We are using the chat GPT for writing an application. Okay, let's just talk about what was the before scenario. You have to think a lot. You have to refine. You have to do the refinement of yours. Like I have to first think the topics. I have to first think about the
And
content.
that is where the point lies.
Okay.
Okay, mind and your brain is not like fixed.
So
It's not a fixed quantity. As per the reports of TRI, 38% of the HR managers prefer those candidates who have done some kind of hands-on experience over online educations or online certifications. Why do they? Because they also understand that that too much technology embedded things are actually making people feel more lethargic. How can someone debate about this topic that the technology that is actually tracking the people into a cycle of depression and anxiety?
Wait a second. We are
In a cycle of
Okay, you keep complete. But
In a room.
just let me give an argument. I'm talking about the specific of the depression. What about the creativity is stopping me to making you go into cycle of depression? I don't
See what she's talking about.
We are talking about technology.
Okay.
The most advanced technology, which is the most harmful to the Gen Zs and to the most of the generation. How many of now we go to, if we go to the subject, how many of us use the, how many of us mathematical times
Which type of technology you are even talking about that is really harming the Gen Z? As a member of the Gen Z,
Before this,
Are you talking about the application thing or first?
are you talking about this specific scenario or universal scenario?
You said that technology is better. Something that is better does not mean that it is really helpful and that it is really peaceful for the society, for the environment, for environment. Second point that you stated was technology is actually a human creation. We totally agree with this fact that yes, technology is a human creation only, is a result of the human creativity only. We all have on this phase that excess of anything is bad. When we start using those technologies in a very excessive way,
Access of the creativity is really the technology.
excess of anything.
Access of the technology is just getting the new technology. It's just like that.
Let me give you an example.
That is only
First of all,
First of all, you are taking a technology as your tool. You are taking technology as your like a personal assistant. Use it as a tool. It will be the one of the best tool to make you more creative. Not use it as your assistant.
If stop us using the technology as our
okay, so
personal
let me give you an
if we
example.
get the technology,
How you use it?
if we got
It's not about
okay, if we
Listen,
got
what about the artists who are suffering from this? The artists who are creative, they spent years on the skill.
Okay.
Now they are jobless.
First of all, I would like to show that technology can replace no one. A person who uses the technology will replace them. Okay,
It depends on how you
it
use
is
it.
just like artists. There are multiple artists. If one artist is getting famous, and one artist is not getting famous, that what is the difference? One is known how to draw, but they don't know how to prompt that drawing to get more better result. It is just like that. If he or she knows this, obviously that
It is indeed creating depression, like she said, and it is killing the human
No, it's
creativity.
like it is just no one.
You have to look at the impacts as well. You cannot
Okay,
ignore the
it is like an example. There are two types of things.
when you do not possess a helmet,
there are reasons the type of harm that you are talking about is
Depression, right?
how are you supposed
People
to
are supposed
expect
to-
from them?
okay. It was
Okay, so let me give you an example. There is one boy. Let me give you an example. Let me speak. So, we counted that. Okay. So, take for you to talk about creative, right? So, let me give you, take for example, there's this student. and there was a student in the past. So who is going to do it now? We have built robots, AI engineers, AI agents, with the help of new technologies only. With the help of, we cannot regress into that old ones like
You
before.
cannot just highlight the advantages and ignore the impacts that it
What do you
will
think the technology is
End of the day.
Do you know the case of Bob and Alice? Someone mentioned about the creation of human. When scientists when they invent Bob and Alice, and do you know the case of Bob and Alice? They both are the result of technology, and when they are in the experiment, they both are talking in their own language, and globally, that language are not existed, and still.
That is again,
And you also mentioned about the industry.
Okay, let's pause from AI. That's not the
But who is going to take the responsibility of the people who are doing their jobs just because of the advancement of technology? Are you going to take the responsibility of all that people? Are you going to take the responsibility of the teenager or Gen Zs who are just shut down themselves? 60% teenagers shut down themselves from the platform. Are you going to what?
My point is not that you talk about the teenagers, right? So teenagers are not shutting down because
Teenagers, I said the current
What's the word? You are talking Suppose the person are not talking about that because of someone else creativity. Then something else you are talking about. That is something else. It's something else. They get a foot on the state of parity. That is not the
future of our nation.
Okay,
there was a time when you had to go outside.
the thing that you are
But now
talking about.
technology.
Okay, let's switch to another technology. Let's move on.
Okay, so you want that everything right? If we take everything, suppose we are ordering, suppose if we are ordering some gadgets, if we get all that things right, if we are going to like each other,
Yeah, we will record.
अगर आप भी LNJPIT छपरा के स्टूडेंट हैं या स्टूडेंट रह चुके हैं तो कमेंट में प्राउड LNJPIT छपरा जरूर लिखें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।